You just dropped a fortune on the latest CPU and GPU. But if you plug them into the wrong motherboard, you're leaving 30% of your performance, and hundreds of dollars, on the table. The wrong board throttles your speed, chokes your RAM, and kills your overclocks. But the right one? It's a cheat code. After testing 8 new 2025 platforms, we found 5 gaming motherboards that don't just connect your parts, they unleash them. And the board at number 2, its feature is so aggressive, most gamers won't believe it's legal. Starting at number 1. MSI Z590 PRO Wi-Fi. Best overall Intel. For most Intel-based gamers, the MSI Z590 PRO Wi-Fi gives you all you could hope for in a full-sized, modern motherboard. This motherboard leverages Intel's latest Z590 chipset to deliver blazingly fast speeds across storage, USB, expansion, networking, and more. But fast speeds naturally lead to hot temperatures. Thankfully, the MSI Z590 Pro has advanced thermal design with an extended heatsink and built-in thermal solution for its central M.2 drive. MSI's own BIOS and built-in softwares lets you customize your fans and check on temperatures, an excellent addition for users looking to overclock their CPUs. For most gamers, the MSI Z590 Pro Wi-Fi is an excellent motherboard that can power any Intel gaming rig. Pro Series helps users work smarter by delivering an efficient and productive experience. Featuring stable functionality and high-quality assembly, Pro Series motherboards provide not only optimized professional workflows but also less troubleshooting and longevity. Number 2. ASUS TUF Gaming X570 Plus Wi-Fi 6. Best overall AMD. For gamers using AMD CPUs, our top overall pick is the ASUS TUF Gaming X570 Plus Wi-Fi 6, an excellent, durable motherboard utilizing the latest AMD chipset. Like our other recommendations, the ASUS TUF X570 Plus offers a plethora of storage, USB, and memory slots. But its excellent build quality and cooling connectivity put it ahead of the competition, with various built-in heatsinks and 6 available 4-pin fan headers. Add AMD's X570 chipset, offering fast PCIe 4.0 compatibility, and you have a high-quality motherboard perfect for use with a cutting-edge graphics card. Powered by AMD Ryzen 2nd and 3rd AM4 processors, the ASUS TUF Gaming X570 Plus Wi-Fi motherboard delivers 24/7 performance. Unleash your system's full potential with military-grade TUF components while personalizing your build with Aura Sync lighting. Integrated dual M.2 gigabit LAN and USB 3.2 Gen 2 deliver maximum connectivity speeds. Free 3 months Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Receive complimentary access with the purchase of this product. Number 3. MSI B550 Pro. Best budget AMD. One of the most reviewed new budget motherboards around, the MSI B550 Pro is an excellent motherboard for anyone who prizes affordability over flashy, showy features. The star of the show is AMD's new B550 chipset, which offers great CPU compatibility as well as compatibility with PCIe 4.0, meaning CPU and GPU options are stellar. Connectivity elsewhere is excellent, with standouts including a USB-C port and high-quality HDMI 2.1. For AMD gamers looking to keep things affordable, the MSI B550 Pro is a great budget option. Powered by AMD Ryzen AM4 processors, the MSI B550 Pro combines stable functionality and high-quality assembly to solve professional workflows. Extended heatsink design and core boost keep critical components operating reliably. PCIe 4.0 slots in M.2 with Shield Frozr provides the latest in device connectivity. Number 4. ASUS ROG 12 Hero Z590. Best premium Intel. For Intel gamers truly looking to make the most powerful, most customizable PC possible, consider the ASUS ROG 12 Hero Z590, a beast of a motherboard offering cutting-edge tech in every possible regard. From the build quality to the design, everything about the 12 Hero Z590 screams quality, with enlarged heat pipes, heatsinks, and cooling architecture everywhere, much of which is built with RGB lighting. With 8 available 4-pin fan headers, a dedicated water cooling header, quad aluminum M.2 backplates, and the aforementioned heatsinks, the 12 Hero Z590 is well equipped to handle intense operations like overclocking, dual graphics cards, and blazingly fast M.2 drives. Connectivity, as expected at this price range, is outstanding, with everything you'd expect from a great new motherboard. For building the best of the best PC, consider this premium option. Number 5. ASUS ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Hero. Best premium AMD. Similar to our premium Intel pick, our recommendation for premium-minded AMD gamers is the ASUS ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Hero, an excellent motherboard offering a sky-high feature set. Like the Intel 12 Hero Z590, the AMD X578 Hero features an ultra-premium build, full of advanced cooling architecture and premium RGB lighting options. But with AMD's X570 chipset, it offers two full 4.0 compatible PCIe X16 slots, making it excel in dual GPU setups. Add on blazingly fast networking connectivity and a frankly ridiculous amount of ultra-fast USB ports, and you have an amazing, premium AMD motherboard fit for any enthusiast PC. Powered by second and third generation AMD Ryzen AM4 processors, the ASUS ROG Crosshair 8 Hero Wi-Fi X570 ATX delivers features enthusiasts crave with the utmost functionality and pure aesthetic expression. Access next-generation connectivity with onboard Wi-Fi 6, 802, 11X, M2 heatsink, USB 3.2, or ASync RGB lighting. Free 1 month's Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Receive complimentary access with the purchase of this product. Ready to build or upgrade? All the links to check the latest prices, availability, and full specs for every single motherboard we just covered are in the description below. Go find the one that matches your CPU and budget. Debate our picks in the comments. Are you Team All-Out Performance or Team Value King? If this guide saved you from a costly motherboard mistake, do the channel a solid, smash that like button. Share this with your build squad. And subscribe with the bell, because next week we're revealing the hidden performance mode in a BIOS setting that every manufacturer is trying to keep quiet. See you then.